Ekse wafethu solo busy lana uyabona ukuthi kahle line up ikhulu kakhulu nyalo sengina DJ la ngithole bo Mr Party nyalo ngina DJ the sound engineer DJ.
Yes, Papa.
Tell us what's up.
Tonight is going on bafowethu. Shayiki lana is a talent show yabo.
Yes.
Siyatendela uzobona la.
Ubusy kakhulu shothi
Live.
Okay, perform ama artist lanjani bo ma rapper kuphela or yonke le kind khona la lo music.
Any talent, man. It's either piano, house music.
So when I DJ
anything.
uyakhona u-DJ tonke le tinto leto.
Yes.
Okay, DJ bani bafethu.
Alvin Small siligama bafowethu.
Alvin Small, not DJ
Talented.
Alvin Small, just Alvin Small.
Alvin Small ngiphuma la engodini kaBhokweni bafowethu.
12:45 isilanakazi yawa e-TV Trust. Alvin,
More.
we are on it bafethu. Sifuna ukubona lapha babukeli bafuna bakubone lapha udlala le ndi yakho lapha
Okay,
ukuthi kanjani uyabona.
Yes.
Si on manaka. See you on stage. See you on stage. Hola.
8 o'clock ne?
8 o'clock.
Yes, Papa.
8 o'clock, stay tuned and basesebaningi la betako njengoba sikhona la i-TV Trust siyimpumalanga A to TV sikhona la naso sibhizi le kahle solo sikuso la isimo podcast solo sikhuluma nge-situation banaka banema-reason ukuthi why wahostele event and it's not just ukuthi we just wanna have fun ukuthi okay mina ngim-DJ funa ko-DJ amajita perform. There's something big behind all of this and we're gonna talk about it after the party man, my man. Nokubona lapha.
Danko.
Hola.
Hola.